Hello students, I am happy to interact with you. Today we start civics. The word civics derived from the Latin word civicus. It means relating to citizens. To citizens. As you are citizen of India, you have to know about rights, duties, those things need for your personal development. India got independence in 15th August 1947. भारत को आज़ादी मिला 15 अगस्त 1947. 15th August each and every year you celebrate as Independence Day. Before that, Britishers ruled India, and all the rules and regulations followed by Indians, that by the Britishers rule and regulation. इन लोग का गवर्नमेंट से हम लोग का रूल रेगुलेशन सब फॉलो होता था. After that, India got independence in 15th August 1947. So today we discuss about Constitution. Constitution क्या है? What is Constitution? Constitution is set of rules which define structure, outline, duties, rights, function, those things in rules ही बताता है स्ट्रक्चर किस तरह होगा, किस तरह इंस्ट्रक्शन होगा, हम लोग का ड्यूटी क्या है और अधिकार क्या है, किस तरह से गवर्नमेंट फंक्शन करेगा. That is Constitution. Constitution means a set of rules and regulation where content, structure, outline, duties, rights and function. Then how our Constitution made? When India got independence, at that time in our country there is no Constitution. Lord Mountbatten represent Indian government, and how Constitution make, how Constitution frame, who framed our Constitution. Who framed our Constitution? At first, in 1942, Sir Stafford Cripps in 1942, Sir Stafford Cripps came to India with proposals, but this proposal refused by Indian, which is known as Cripps proposal. But it is refused by Indian. Next, cabinet mission. Cabinet mission come in India in 1946. They approval the Indians proposals, and they given proposal for Indian Constituent Assembly. Indian Constituent Assembly constituent assemblies members are elected by the Indian members, and they are Indian members at first sitting and they discuss about rules and regulations, and in constituent assembly at first Dr. Sachidananda Sachidanand was the temporary president, but after that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was final president, and they formed committee. In committee, one committee is drafting committee. In drafting committee, B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee, and in drafting committee 8 members are there. It is not easy task. The draft means write the rules and regulations, and what are the source of the constitutions? The source USA, UK, Ireland, Canada, South Africa, Australia, these are the source. They at first read the constitution from there, and they finalize which rules and regulation will be in the Indian constitution. And Indian constitution take 2 years, 11 months, 18 days, and our constitution completely end in 26th November 1949. It completed, but it came into force on 26th January 1950, which is known as Republic Day. So why 26th January they have taken? Because in 1929 they pledged that in 1930 they first celebrate Independence Day. On this day it celebrated. That's why they taken 26th January 1950 as Republic Day, because Independence Day already 15th August taken. So these things you go through the books and revise it properly. Like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.